how to rate a presentation or a speaker using the system from Infowhyse with EdiVote. There are basically two methods. One is to rate, or one is simple and fast, and one is a bit advanced. I have created both. So first I did my hardware setup and just prepared some stuff. Basically what we do here is we just create a normal slide with 10 options. Like you go create slide, individual bars, 10 options, press OK. You will get a slide like this. And then you just go into question properties of EdiVote. And then you go here, preferences, show the average, and the rest is just normal formatting. I have prepared it here on the top already. I'll just format it, made it a bit bigger, but it's the same thing. The second one is a bit more advanced, so I use the graphic at the background, just to move it aside so you can see it. And I have a vertical bar, and when you have a vertical bar, you can move. So first click on the bar will just mark the complete bar. Just let me close this. And the second click then will mark the individual element in it. What you can't do is you cannot just ungroup them and move things around. But inside a group thing, a group bar, you can just move the elements. So I made it like this. Let me reset all slides so we have a blank layout. So I created it like this, so it fills out, the bar fills out the complete. You see it here. It fills out the complete thermometer. It's now a bit. So now it's better. So, and this slide is created when you create a slide with a single element, individual vertical bars. That's the default layout. And then you go to question properties. You uncheck the percentages here so you see the average. And then it's important to go here on rating, and we set a scale here 1 to 9. That's all I did. This one here, I didn't delete it. If you look on my slide, I just moved it out of the slide because I don't need it. But it's still there. So the rest is just formatting PowerPoint. That's got to be alright. If I run these slides, my first slide I will use to get I will use 8, 5, 2. That's 14 by 3, gives us an average of 5. 4, 13, 15 by 3 is 5, yeah, that's correct. So it's 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 2 is 15, divided by 3 is average is 5. So that's a normal presentation. And if I use the advanced method, it's the same thing. I can use the same numbers now, but I'm going to show you a bit. I use 8, 9, 8, and 7. That's going to be an average of 8. I can revote that slide to just show how this changes. 9, 6, 5. So we have a decimal number. And you see it's just going up and down depending on this slide. I can of course just animate it a bit so it looks better, and it's like a normal thermometer where it goes up and just stops there. All these things I can do, but it's very simple.